Are you a computer science student looking to make some extra cash while building your skills? Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm sharing 5 proven ways to make money as a computer science student. Let's jump right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bitewise Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for regular updates. First up is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are gold mines for computer science students. You can offer services like web development, app design, or even data analysis. Start with small gigs, build your portfolio, and soon you'll have clients lining up for your services. Here's a pro tip for you. Focus on niche skills like Python scripting, API development, or WordPress customization to stand out. Next is tutoring. If you're great at programming or data structures, why not help others to learn? You can offer tutoring services to your classmates or even teach coding to beginners on platforms like Check Tutors, Visant, or even YouTube. Teaching also reinforces your own understanding. Another fantastic way is to build and sell projects. As a computer science student, you've got the skills to create custom software, websites, or apps. Platforms like Code Canyon or GitHub sponsors allow you to sell your projects or get funded for open source contributions. Imagine making money while showcasing your creativity. Fourth on the list is getting an internship or part-time job. Many tech companies are eager to hire students for entry-level roles. You'll earn while gaining valuable industry experience. Check platforms like LinkedIn, AngelList, or Indeed to find opportunities. Plus, internships often lead to full-time offers. Last but not least, why not become a content creator? Share your knowledge by creating YouTube tutorials, writing blogs, or even publishing coding guides on platforms like Medium. Monetization options like ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing can generate a steady income while growing your personal brand. And there you have it, 5 ways to make money as a student. Whether you're freelancing, tutoring, or building projects, the opportunities are endless. The best part, you're not just making money, you're also sharpening your skills and building your resume. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.